and adults, I hope you're well. In this video, we're going to revisit the Start on Tap block.
The story behind this project is Kitten is out picking peaches and we're going to program the peach to move and then fall out the tree. So let's start by changing our background. We're going to select the background button there and we're going to find the summer background. There it is, and press the tick button to select it. I'm now going to move Kitten so they're actually underneath a tree as if they're looking at the peaches there. Now we need to add a peach character for us to code. So go to the plus button below where the kitten is, scroll down and let's find a peach character. There it is. So select the peach and then select the tick button there. There the peach has been selected. It's in the middle of the screen, so we're going to hold down on it and move it into the tree. Fantastic. Now we need to code that peach. First we're going to go to the yellow category. We're not going to use the green start flag block. Instead we're going to select this block, which is a Start on Tap block. Next we're going to go to the blue movement category and we are going to select the right turn and the left turn. That will make the peach wiggle, and then we want the peach to come down out of the tree, so we need a down movement block. Then we're going to go to the red category and end our program. I'm going to turn the grid on so we can see how far down the peach needs to move. So it's currently at 13 on the vertical axis. Kitten's feet's at 4, so let's do 13 take away 4, which is 9. Let's click on that 1. Number pad appears. Let's change it to a 9. Turn the grid off and let's start. Now I don't press the green flag to start for this one. I just press on the peach. Brilliant. There we go. So let's reset that. So the peach wiggles a bit and then falls down. Very nice. Let's look at that full screen. Oh, I accidentally pressed the green flag there and nothing had worked. So that's what we haven't coded for. Let's press on that. Brilliant. Excellent. Let's reset that. Brilliant. Well done, everyone.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found that video useful. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the next video will appear somewhere on the screen shortly, and all you need to do is click on that to access the next video. If you want to see all of the videos in one place, please go to mrvullo.com/ScratchJr. I'll add the link in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. All my contact details are on my website. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.